On the left is a PT6466 billet compressor wheel, and on the right is a 6262 and 6266 billet compressor wheel. Both of these are available for sale. I'll put the link in the description box. The 6466 wheel, before now there is no way to get a replacement. It's not very easy to come by that wheel unless you can find them used. So I had a couple of them made so that I could fix some turbos that I needed fixing. The 6262 wheel, there was not really a good replacement wheel for that mimicked the original. So I had a better version made that's more accurate to the original compressor wheel. If you want these, they're in the description box. They're already balanced, ready to install. If you do want us to balance the assembly, we need the compressor nut for the 6262. The 64, you don't need the compressor nut. We also need the collar and spacer and the shaft.